Hey guys, it's Joyita here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use dry shampoo and why you need this. Why you need this? Everyone needs dry shampoo because in this heat your hair gets oily and you have to go out and you don't have time to shampoo. So you can just use this and make your hair look fabulous again without wasting too much time and without actually taking a bath. If you want to see how to use this, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to show you the two I use. This one is from Bblunt. It's called Back to Life Dry Shampoo, and this is the Beach Please edition. They have two more options in the same range. One is called the Freshness Spring Fling, and the other is called Instant Freshness Classic. I've used that, but I prefer this one to that one. That one gives less volume, but it does the job of eliminating the oil in the hair. So yeah, but this one gives you the beach kind of volume. And here I have the Batiste instant hair refresh shampoo. This one is the pocket size one. Okay, this one is in the flavor, this is cherry flavored, so it has this nice cherry smell. But Batiste has a lot of options. Okay, this is the pocket size one. This is 50 ml and this costs around 2.99. But the big one, which is the 200 one, will cost you around 6.50 to 7.50. So they have a lot of options. They have more options than them. They have only 3. They have around 6 to 7, but you won't find all of them available at the same time on Nykaa. Some are always out of stock. Some you won't find the size you're looking for. So I would say if you're trying, go for the small one, though this isn't very economic. I mean, if you buy the big one, that is way more economic, and this one is definitely cheaper than this one because this one is for 125 ml and this costs 5.50. But the Batiste big one cost you, that is definitely going to save you money. And the small, Bblunt also has the small pocket size one, the same thing. You'll get all 3 in the small size. That is for $250 and it comes in 30 ml. Okay, now in this video I'm going to show you how to apply, so let's get started on that. You're going to ask me what's the difference between both of these. Personally, I like this one better than this one because this one, the spray is way more powerful than this one, though I've used this a lot and there's like very little product left. But let's use this one for today, and I'm going to also show you how amazing this is. Okay, let's read the instructions first. So this says, shake well before use, hold the can in upright position 6 inches away from the hair and spray evenly close to the roots. Leave it on for 2 minutes. Massage and brush thoroughly. Okay, so we're going to start with this. We're going to take a rough 6-inch gap. We're going to part our hair at places where you want to spray this. So I'm going to take a partition and I'm going to spray it. Leave it for 2 minutes. And I'm going to massage it gently. It'll feel a little wet, but if you take it very close, you'll see the white residue. So you don't want to take it really close. So once you've done, you are going to go over all the places where you feel oily. So it's really good for winters and summers both. And if you're especially running late, this is a great option. But can you see how the spray is a little fuss? When it was new, it was exactly the same. I was like, yeah, it is a little off. But it does the job, okay? So the scalp feels a little oily, right, over time. That kind of goes away. But even when I shampoo a few times, and I feel like my hair is a little limp and it's like falling and it has 0 volume. you can still use that to, you know, volumize your hair, make it look like you have more hair than you actually do. I bought this because I like to straighten my hair, but I don't want to straighten it every day. And you know, for the temporary straighteners, they all stay till the next time you put water on your hair, then the straightening goes away. So to leave the straightening, I love using the dry shampoo. So your hair does not, you know, fizz out. And the scalp, if the scalp looks oily, that just, you know, makes you feel like you're really, you know, that whole space where you feel, ugh, that goes away, thankfully. So yeah, section it and nicely massage it into my scalp. You see the volume already. When you massage it, you'll feel that your hair feels clean. That's really a very good feeling. But this one doesn't have that much of a good smell as this one. Like personally, I prefer the Batiste one. I told you I'm going to show you how powerful this is. So we're going to just, you know, go over. Did you see how powerful the spray is? This is my favorite. And the smell. Cherry smells really good. I'm definitely going to get a big one once I run out of this one. Massage it, and when you feel like the product has evaporated and your scalp is dry, you're going to take up your comb, whichever comb you want to take, and you're going to brush through. And you're going to settle all the tangles that are there because you've messed up your hair anyway. I would recommend wearing your accessories last, but since I'm doing the video, I wore all my accessories before. It's really, you know, painful when this gets in the comb, and then it's too much for my ears. This is how you use dry shampoo, and once you've used dry shampoo, if your hair feels really dry, then I would suggest go and use a serum, because it might, you know, just dry it out. Like for me, I have colored hair and it really dries out the ends, so I use the Absolute Repair serum. You can use whatever serum you use on a daily basis and manage your hair and make it look fabulous. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos. Do give a thumbs up if you like the video, and watch my previous video here. Thank you for watching.